If you're experiencing a slow PC, frequent freezing, unexpected pop-ups, or an influx of ads, your computer might be harboring hidden malware or spyware. I've encountered these issues myself, and the most reliable free tool I've used for years is Malwarebytes. It's a top-notch malware remover adept at eliminating adware, spyware, and other digital clutter that can bog down your system. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide that will give you the confidence to clean your computer with ease. Start by downloading and installing Malwarebytes free, using the official link provided below this video. This will take you to the official Malwarebytes website, where you can easily locate the free download option in the top right corner. Once downloaded, the installation process is straightforward and user-friendly. Then open the software, head to the dashboard, and click Scan to run a complete system check. Depending on your files, it may take a while, so be patient. When the scan finishes, you'll see a detailed report of threats found. Review them, then hit Quarantine to safely remove any viruses, spyware, or adware. Restart your PC when prompted to finalize the cleanup. My own scan checked over 230,000 files in under 22 minutes and caught 2 hidden infections my regular antivirus missed. After quarantining and restarting, my system instantly ran faster, smoother, and safer, providing a sense of relief and reassurance. Malwarebytes also offers a premium version with real-time protection, but the free version is perfect for on-demand malware removal when your antivirus doesn't catch everything. It's a practical, reliable, and one of the most trusted tools for keeping your PC clean, ensuring a faster, smoother, and safer system. Download Malwarebytes free using the link below, and give your PC the cleanup it needs today. And if you want to boost your protection even further, check out my next video, Top 5 Free Antivirus Software to Protect Your PC, linked on screen right now. See you there. If this helped you, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more free PC fixes. Thanks for watching.